Yo, it's a boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. And people, guess what? You know, say, I just a forward from a mad party, you see it. I'm going to so booms and tune into my phone and see what I want, you see me? And the first thing pop up is what? She, you know, apologize. First thing, I got to comment, she, you know, well done. I think you need a round of applause, you see me? Because it take a big man to point out and say, yo, you know, say you're going wrong this, so. You see me? You know, say you do something wrong this, so. So, well done, brother. And, you see me? We are dancehall artists now. We apologize, people. We can probably count for half a hand how much time one dancehall artist ever apologize. Worse to we the vloggers. So my point is, when you say vlogging important, because if vlogging never important, Shano would have never forward out publicly and I give you a public apology. You see me? So the thing is, all of the artists them out there, you see me? You notice we are trying to regularize this vlogging thing. You see me? Vlogging is important. Just as you that pay one disc jockey, or just like you that send one disc jockey the song and say, yo, you know, say every party you play more you rinse the song, you know. I see him when you're vlogging important. Because picture this. You go give one disc jockey a song. Yeah, him hot, he might get date. He might play one big club. See, one club will only hold 500 people. See me? While vloggers, when vloggers put out, I know some of stop call the term all vloggers, big up Amari for that thing. While reviewers, we put out a song, see me? And within 5 minutes, you get out 5,000 views. Which one you feel like is more marketable? Which one you feel like is more profitable? You see me? So for the artists them, we understand and we kind of see with you when you say, yeah, you know, say somehow no vloggers this and that. But don't try put everybody in a one barrel and just tumble them down the hill. You see me? We understand say you have some of the vloggers them out there. Wait, I go on with big things. You see me? You have some of the vloggers them out there literally. Them not in it for the love. Them not in it for like the upliftment of dancehall music. Them just in it for the little AdSense money. And I never only pay just the little AdSense money. So what them do now? Them do anything. And when them say anything, I mean anything. Forget the AdSense money. Forget the views. Anything, forget the likes and comments, you see me? So sometimes them bend the truth till it broke. The truth was so booms and broke. You see it? So I kind of understand in some case where you say, yo, some of the vloggers. But I don't want to say, yo, some of the vloggers and the whole of the vloggers for dead. And that's why I have to commend you as a big man. Because enough artists sit the foolish and them now come a road and say sorry. You see me? Them now come a road and say them do foolish. A matter of fact, look at Spice. Me still say, I don't know if anybody else still say, but me still say a foolish Spice. Me still say Spice did go a little bit overboard. You see me? Me still say until the point when Spice say suck your mother, me feel like say that was overboard. You see me? So I just that me have to say big up Shane for that. And I probably have to add say God go with Bumba RYGIN King career. I don't know what it talk about. Me personally, I'm not too with one thing, you see it. But as you squash them and Chronix Law them are hot artists. Right now, I just afford from a party. And alone of them man they threw me here up there. You see me? Advay have a song we say clean every time. Hear that rings off a couple times. You see me? But you don't know, sometimes some people feel like say only Gaza. I never want to say Gaza. only Cartel and Alkaline we vlog about. And that's not the case. Only Cartel and probably Alkaline get the views. You see me? So whenever we do 10 reviews, 15 reviews, 20 reviews on a young artist, them go so booms and go clap them 10, 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 5,000. You see, if you drop an Alkaline review a morning, the review it gone up. So this is my thing to you artists. See? Uno look and see what them man they do, what uno not do. Me no know, but right now, even though them say Alkaline fall off, Alkaline not hot, Alkaline this and Alkaline that, him are the hot topic right now. A morning, if me ever put up and say Alkaline get a girlfriend finally, the views gone through the sky. Me not telling you no lie, people. People when you look for the vloggers them now, you see most of the things them put up them tag Alkaline name in it. You see me not let out the secret, but that's just the thing. So, uno artists, uno need to just work on uno craft better. And me not say uno have bad mind a man say yo because him are the hot artist right now, but he's him are the man himself right now. You see me? And yes, bad portion of bad song they out there. But as well me say, you will do a portion of review on them and them review it and they really shot. And you do one on the Alkaline and another one they shot. You see me? And then it will go look like say only Alkaline we are review. When that's not the case. You see me? Look at me review all artists. I try review every artist. If it's not a full review, I try feature them in one video or something like that. Because if you notice my thing, I don't really necessarily stick on reviews only. You see me? I try to do entertainment. You see me? Because I love dancer, I love culture, and that's why I participate in other things here, more uplift. You see me? So, it's your boy DJ Chaddy. John was there after I go so booms hot up and say, I start up the thing where I shout out a comment. I actually never pick one. So I guess we can just shout out one now. Alright, the first one me see. Jerome MVP Gale. Big up yourself in a brother. You comment a lot from my videos them. I'm more to say big up yourself. Him comment this on the Alkaline review, Richer and Richer. You see me? Chaddy Murray TV, I love the reviews as well, bro. Torture. You see me? And big up yourself for that, you see it. Because we are trying to build a community. You see me? And to the top we are going. Because when you do the bottom thing around here. Why? It's your boy DJ Chaddy. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. And I'm out.
Make a post. You see me? And I never know the post that I use so far. You know? Thanks. Yeah. So here we are going on. You know the thing though. Go say woman and say vloggers and I never know say medieval say some of them are go dead. Which is you know I'm mad my head mad at the time and I say vloggers them are go dead or whatsoever. You know one of my style that, you see me? Big woman thing. People don't know one of my style that. So what must I try show no? You so quick them quick and ready for run with that. And that they all over. You get me I say? Example that again. You see me so you know, at the end of the day, big up Rapper Crap and big up the real vloggers them where support me. So who take it the next way for the business that, you see me? Yeah, the people know my style, like I must feel away from you. So yo, there I do some good song and especially Rhino, you don't know how to bring back Rhino to you, see me? Because me could another set position than him up there and still have to do a song with me too, you see me? Because I saw it go. Yeah, you see me? Yeah, me a different kind of artist and couple of artists. Yeah. The artists, some of them just only good for hype on them one another and you see me, I know my style. Everybody know me humble youth, you see me? Big woman thing. Yeah, anybody can tell you. Anyway, you see me on the road, they call me for talk, and me that, you see me? Nothing change me, no car, no money, no song, nothing frightening me, you see me? Me just love music from my heart, you see me? Big woman thing, so the end of the day, all of a sudden I see it a trend. I say, what? Me I write a song a trend and this a trend, I say it a go and it's a good look.